See the next example. In this triangle XYZ, angle ZXW is exterior angle. And here angle ZXW is 130 degree and angle Y is 60 degree. Now find out here angle Z. Let's see how to find. By the property of exterior angle of triangle, measurement of angle ZXW is equal to measurement of angle Y plus measurement of angle Z. So ZXW is 130 degree is equal to angle Y is 60 degree and angle Z is as it is because we want to find out here angle Z. So 60 is plus, it's come to the left side of this equation, they become minus. So 130 minus 60 is equal to measurement of angle Z. So measurement of angle Z is equal to 70 degree. So 60 plus 70 is equal to 130 degree. See the next example from practice set 21, question number 2. Using the measure of angle of given in the figure alongside, find the measure of remaining three angles, that is these angles, angle AOF, angle BOC and angle EOD. Okay, let's see, this figure is here. In this figure, first angle AOB is equal to angle EOD. The reason is these are the opposite angles, vertically opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles are equal. It means these two angles measurement is 8y. Same here, angle EOF equal to angle BOC is equal to 4y because these are also opposite angles. And the last pair is angle COD is equal to angle AOF 6y because these three pairs are, the reason is vertically opposite angles which are the equals. So now find out its measurement. See here, first find out the value of y, then you will get the measurement of these three angles. See in this figure FC and this AO, angle AOF plus angle AOC is equal to 180 degree because these two angles are linear pair angle. It means their sum is 180 degree. So measurement of angle AOF is 6y plus angle AOC, measurement of angle AOC, this 8y and this 4y. 8 plus 4, that is 12y is equal to 180. For that I will write here angle AOC is equal to 8y plus 4y, that is 12y. So 12 plus 6, that is 18y is equal to 180 degree. So y is equal to 180 divided by this 18. So y is equal to 10 degree. This is the value of y. Now here find out this angle. Angle AOB it means angle EOD is equal to 8y, that is 8 into 10, it means 80 degree. Angle EOF is equal to angle BOC is equal to 4y, it means 4 into 10, that is 40 degree. And angle COD is equal to angle AOF is equal to 6y, it means 6 into 10, that is 60 degree. So remaining three angles are 80 degree, 40 degree and 60 degree. It means here this angle is 80 degree, this also 80 degree, 40 degree, 60 degree, 40 and 60. See the next example from practice set 21. It's star question, means it's thoda creative question. See, in the isosceles triangle ABC, angle A and B are equal. Angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. The measure of angle ACB and ACD are 3x minus 70 degree and 8x plus 10 degree respectively. Find the measure of angle ACB and ACD and also find the measurement of angle A and B. As per this question, here we draw this figure. See, in the triangle ABC, this is the isosceles triangle, angle A and angle B. These are the equal angles. Angle ACD is exterior angle, and here angle ACB is 3x minus 70 and angle ACD is 8x plus 10 degree. So now in this question, first find out the value of x. After that you will get the measurement of angle ACD and angle ACB. Then after you will get here measurement of angle A or B by using interior angle of triangle is 180 degree, otherwise use the property of exterior angle of triangle. Let's see, first find out the angle x. See here, angle ACB and angle ACD are linear pair angle. So their sum is 180 degree. So angle ACB plus angle ACD is equal to 180 degree. So here 3x minus 70 plus 8x plus 10, put your values, is equal to 180 degree. 3x plus 8x, that is 11x. 10 minus 17, that is minus 7, is equal to 180 degree. Now here 11x is equal to 180, this minus 7 become plus 7. So 11x is equal to 187. Now keep x here as it is 187. This 11 is a multiplier to the left side of x. It comes to the right side and it become divisor. So value of x is 11 ones are 11 and 11 sevens are 77. So value of x is a 70 degree. Now find out here angle ACB. Angle ACB is 3x minus 70. It means 3 into 17 minus 70. 17 3s are 51 minus 70, that is 34 degree. Now here angle ACD is equal to 8x plus 10. It means 8 into 17 plus 10. 8 into 17 8s are 136 plus 10, that is 146 degree. So angle ACD is equal to 146 degree. Now here find out here angle A and B. Here we know the angle C is 34 degree. So you can use here the interior angle of triangle is 180 degree. Use this. Otherwise, use this the property of exterior angle of triangle, that is angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B. Use any. Here we use the interior sum of interior angle of triangle property. Sum of interior angle of triangle property is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Put your values. Angle A and B both are equal because these are isosceles triangle. So I write here instead of angle B, angle A, and the value of angle C is 34 degree. So here is 180 degree. Angle A plus angle A, that is 2 angle A, 180. This plus 34 become minus 34. So 2 angle A is equal to 180 minus 34, that is 146 degree. So angle A is equal to 146 degree divided by 2. So angle A is equal to 73 degree, and angle A and angle B both are equal. It means angle B is also 73 degree. So here our lesson is over and your homework is solve practice set 21. This is your homework. Solve practice set 21, and here our lesson number angles and pair of angles is complete. Okay, bye and have a nice day.